Oh, streaming. Ooh. Sorry, I was just watching a video on my phone, and it's a good video about how shitty was the Stranger Things season. What was the season now? 4, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. So yeah, where's my camera actually? Why are you still broken? Or are you broken again? It keeps on breaking on me. So filters, properties. Can I do broadcast? No? No? Advanced properties? No? Camera here. Oh, properties. So if I do this. Oh, good. Yeah, works. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus, for fixing my camera. So I'm in the sea. Yeah. I can swim in the sea. That's a nice sea. I can swim. That's probably not what you came for here, is it? You came here for programming without AI, which I don't know, can it be done even in those in those years of AI coding, vibe coding everywhere? Can we even try to attempt to do a real coding like people used to in the past with no AI, but just with normal editors and stuff? But first, before we do that, let's just have a quick intro. Hi, I'm Maciek. I'm doing stuff online, software as a service or something, or apps and stuff, and then agency and other stuff. I hope this is enough. So I've got you probably know me by now. But what I did actually, there is this Discord thing. Let's just go to the Discord. That's one of the exciting things. And I've dropped a survey here. If you're on the Discord, make sure to fill it up. Yeah, drop it there. Come by and fill it up. You know, it's a code and hustle survey, international survey, and based on that, I don't know what I will do. Basically, I will first see what people say. And my hope is that what they will say is like, we are open to work. This is what we know how to do. This is how many hours we can do that stuff. Those are our financial expectations if we get to make money. Obviously, I think the idea also is to make them share that's, you know, all that beautiful income if it ever gets to that, or share the, what's the name of the thing, like the equity in the company if they build anything, and I will try to guide them through it and help them be better at that. So what's my morning routine? What's the morning routine of Primeagen? Yes, that's a question that is interesting. Or I was just watching this video about Stranger Things, how Stranger Things season whatever 5 now is shit. And those are funny comics as well. But me, the other thing, I just dropped, or I will drop in 5 minutes, this video, which is something I recorded yesterday, but it's based on like a funny Norwegian video about enshiftification, as it's called. So how things get shittier and shittier, and especially software, you know. So it's a worth one to watch, I think, I guess. And is there like I wonder if there are any responses to my survey, because I just dropped it. Google Maps. No, that's not the one. Google Forms. Yeah. I'm not gonna show what people are saying because they might actually say something private. Can I? Okay, let's just do it here. Oh, we've got one response. Good, nice. So we're gonna hope for more, basically. Yeah, we will see how it goes. Oh, it's actually just like what I see in the thing is it's yeah, okay. So yeah, thanks whoever did it. maybe I can check that even. Yeah, we have a nickname. Programmer. That's not a nickname that can be useful, is it? Is there a programmer here? No. Yeah, okay, let's just get to a thing. What I was actually going to do. What was I actually going to do? I was going to like go back to my app, and today I will be doing stuff without AI agents. Is this possible even? Do I still remember how to do it without agents? And do I even know what I want to actually do? So for example, like this app, this is my agency app, which is where I'm trying to make immediate projects for like, I'm trying to get projects now, but I can't really get it to publish. So let's see if I can actually figure it out myself as I used to before. So that I'm actually building it on render. Right there. Oh, and let's just drop the Discord chat. Sorry, Discord channel in the... No, that's not the one. I think I can do it here. Yes? No? Where's the code and hustle? How did I used to do it? Here? Oh yeah, here. They changed something. Okay. I don't know. They changed something. Okay, let's just drop this Discord link here. HTTPS Discord join. Yeah. And let's pin it to the top. Should I do a survey? Like sometimes they're fun, sometimes they're like they're very useful. Yeah. Let's play some music as well, so it's a bit more fun actually. You obviously love the music I'm playing, yes. So let's just make this less loud, so it's just somewhere in the background. And maybe even less, so I can be heard, yes. Okay, I think it makes sense. It's pretty good. Properties, filters. Oh no, I think I have a lot of gain. Yeah, I think I'm louder than those. Yeah. Let them play in the background, and just so it doesn't disturb me as well. I will, yeah. Oh, welcome guys. There is a bunch of people already. That's nice. Sunday, and you are here on the computer. Like, shouldn't you like relax and just have a break and spend time with family and stuff? Is it best time to watch me, or unless you want to ask something, unless you want to speak about something? That's pretty cool. Look at the Discord. There's so many people now. Nice. There's James, Geo, there's me, and like other bunch of other people. So yeah, good to see you guys. Thanks for coming there, for being here. And yeah, so basically I couldn't really figure out yesterday the build, or maybe it was 2 days ago. So on 6th, 2 days ago, like very late at night, I was trying to get it running, and I started getting this error. So can I fix it without AI? Because this is the thing, I didn't really do too much without AI, like this kind of render error tracking. So that will be hard one for me. So it says error, that's standard, npm. Okay, it doesn't need, which one is it? npm install, npm run build. So we have or are we using pnpm? Oh, maybe it's... Can I? Okay. Let's see. What commands are we using? Are we just using npm? Old good old silly npm. npm install. Can I do like... Do I have a pnpm here even? Let's see actually my other projects, if I can figure it out from there. So I have a... This is the UI? Product planner? I think it's here. I've got some front end. Planner. Okay, let's try this one, because this one is a front end project. Do we have like a... Okay, root directory. What's the script here to build it? pnpm. Okay, web, pnpm install, frozen. Can I do this one? Yeah, let's see. So yeah, I've got npm install. Okay, let's try that one. Let's just clear cache, clear build, and then just start again. So that would be first problem, although maybe without AI can be fixed. I don't know. Yeah. So how are you today, guys? Yeah. Will it build? So that would be first. That would be a nice one actually to start the day with. If I managed to fix it myself, because I was getting some sharp stuff. So I was actually trying to get it with AI, fix it with AI, and couldn't really. So that was a yeah, that wasn't going very well. But now, obviously, I might be able to do it myself. Let's see the build. If it's so this one was a problem, this sharp thing, and now it's a problem again. So pnpm, just changing stuff to pnpm wasn't the solution. pnpm rebuild sharp, okay. Because basically what I changed, success, compile Gatsby files, okay. Gatsby plugin sharp. Something went wrong installing sharp. And what if I actually check in on the line? Gatsby. Is there like something went wrong installing sharp module? Is this like a new? No, this is an old error. Verbose sharp. Gatsby clean. Node 8 installed when the npm cache clean. Can I do that? Rebuild. Verbose sharp. Don't know. npm rebuild. Verbose sharp. Verbose. Are you able to share your project? We produce. Try running. ls sharp. Yeah, this seems to be like a standard error there. Install node again. Completely uninstall node. Oh, this is a... I don't know if I can even do that in render. Maybe can I specify like a version that I'm using? So for example, like that's why we use Docker for... Oh, thanks for subscribing, somebody. I think I got subscriber here. So yeah, thanks for subscribing. Good to see you. Or was it? Did I start with more or with less? Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, those kind of errors that, you know, the build errors, I'm not that familiar with, I must say. So let's just try to fix them now. Just check this one. No? Sorry, I just need to do some housekeeping here. Manage videos. Oh yeah, here. Good. Yeah, good. Okay, just needed to set something up. Yeah. So yeah. Anyone any ideas? Maybe chat. Something went wrong, blah blah blah. I cannot find build sharp Linux. This requires stack. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that might not be a thing I will fix myself. I think I might need to go back to writing normal code and not really trying to debug DevOps stuff here. So yeah, I'm running this script. Let's see actually what the version of Node was before. Maybe that's the problem. Because I think I can I access like previous builds? That's not the one. Previews. He writes, I don't know. Okay, no, there is no history, is there? Oh yeah, there is events. Let's see the last one that was successful, which was a while ago, because I was trying to fix it other day, so I kept on doing. Yeah, let's try this one and see. Oh, no, that's a GitHub. No, I don't want to go there. Where's the here? Yeah. So yeah, this one basically nothing changed since then. So I shouldn't be really getting like that kind of errors. You know, I didn't add any modules. I didn't really install anything. Yeah, the same node. npm install, npm build. Yeah, 75 vulnerabilities. Ooh. Should we update that? Yeah, let's try upgrading actually all of that. So, npm upgrade. I don't know if this is. Let me just try. How do we do it with pnpm? pnpm upgrade packages. Yeah. pnpm upgrade. Update. Okay. pnpm up latest. Yeah, let's try that. So I will, if something, I can go back. pnpm up latest. Up you latest. Will it upgrade it? So yeah, it's reinstalling some plugins. Let's see if it's gonna get it running for me. So I've got like plenty of the deprecated things. So yeah, npm was always like, it's never that easy, you know. I mean, it's never actually the easiest thing. Yeah, that's probably one of the hardest things in like setup of your project, because then, you know, it goes wrong. Like, it's not really easy to implement. Hi Reno Robinson, how are you? Good to see you on the chat. npm dev, yeah. Oh no, start. Yeah, how are you today, Reno Robinson? Oh, someone else subscribed. Nice. Yeah, I'm not even asking people to do that and people subscribe. Great, thank you. I must. This video must be so captivating, this live stream. I'm surprised. I'm a new here. Good to see you, Reno Robinson. What are you? Who are you? What are you up to? Day 90, yeah, day 90. I mean, this is when I started my channel. So 90 days ago, I started this channel, and yeah, so it's been 90 days. That's probably all the story I can think of. And I've been talking about this lovely process of building this bunch of products. So basically, my main product is called Planero, which is a delivery app, like a SaaS platform. And then I've got this agency, which I'm trying to fix now because my builds don't run for some reason. So I'm trying to actually figure out what's broken, and I'm trying to do it without AI. And I tried to do it with AI other day, so it didn't help. And maybe, yeah, I couldn't figure it out back then. And I'm working on a couple of oh, you're working as project manager. Ooh, that's a very useful skill, to be honest. So if you are interested in SaaS products, I will just give you a spiel of my thing. So I've got this. If you are like interested and you wanna work together on some projects, I'm offering people. I'm actually creating this Discord where I encourage people to join me on some projects. And we have some ideas, or we are looking for ideas. And we are basically, I created this survey to ask people, what's your level of stuff? You know, what are you building? Would you like to build? What's your skills? What's your availability? And what would you like to do? And I hope I will get like a group of people, and then I'll try to get them into projects. So then, project manager in that group would be useful if you're interested, Reno Robinson. If not, then obviously like that's a great thing. But yeah, if you have a project idea, But we might, and you wanna run it with a bunch of people, and then maybe it would get built, and maybe it would make money, and then we would share it. I don't know. Yeah, good. So join this Discord, and there is a form that I attached to everything. Actually, I think I pinned it here. You can fill it up and just let us know that if you're interested, what's your availability and stuff, and maybe we will make something cool. I don't know. One of my problems now is I actually started doing a bunch of projects, and maybe one or two too many. But I will probably be somewhere on the periphery there, So I'll try to actually get it running, like, organize people into team, and then start, arrange some schedule for meetings, and maybe for priorities. We will write down priorities, and then I would just, try to get them very loosely or move forwards, and we would meet like once a week to review the stuff. So kind of yeah, and I would try to guide them to the finish line, and maybe we'll get somewhere. I don't know. Seems like my project is actually, so it's running locally. So locally I don't have a problem with it. And I wonder, like, if I upgraded all the projects, and I've got some resolutions here, I don't know. Let's try build, actually. Let's try to build it. I am in my own upskilling program, so love to interact and get some knowledge towards PM with technical. Yeah. So that's very useful. Like, most of the people there are programmers. I think I've got like one or two UX, UI. So most of them are either programmers or vibe coders or wannabe programmers. So yeah, as I'm saying, project management skills are very useful there. There will be, appreciated, I hope, by us. But yeah, it's and it will be, I think, I'm not saying that there will be super easy projects. They will be actually quite hard, because you've got a bunch of people across the world, and, maybe they will be going quite slowly sometimes, because some people's, they are not paid, so there might be, so there might be, their motivation will have to be different. But I think it's still possible, and I think it's still, people can get motivated not only by money. And I think like I'm mostly a proof of that over the last few months. Okay, let's just try to push this one and see if it's gonna upgrade package. I don't know why I didn't upgrade them earlier. I'm actually surprised. So where are you, Reno Robinson? It sounds very Swedish or like Scandinavian. Is this am I correct, or is this just a nickname? Ooh, welcome. The group is growing nicely. We got some, bunch of people now. Make sure to subscribe and like and stuff. Join the Discord if you're interested in working together. What I'm doing now, I'm trying to get my project to build. So this is my agency, I call it, my Pixels and Logic agency. And I actually absolutely love the website I've built. And it was AI coded. It was vibe code actually over a day and a half, I would say. And this is we are having some packages. I've got a bunch of people that will help me with it. Unfortunately, the latest version didn't publish, so that's not the I think there's still slightly better versions that I have that I can't get out there. But maybe this time, maybe after upgrading those packages, it will actually get there. Or maybe it will just fail deploy, which seems to be happening all the time now. And PNP install now. PNP error. Okay. Frozen log file. Maybe I need to remove this frozen log file thing, because I didn't used to have that. Seems to be complaining on that. So let's just remove this piece of piece of code and let's try to run it again. I don't know how about you guys, but I'm always tempted to work on Sundays. I don't know. It's not really... Yeah, I think like programming is fun for me, fun enough for me that I just want to do it more. And my family went for cycling, but I'm kind of... We have a bit of a cold, and yesterday I was spending time with them, so I kind of realized I can probably have a day off. And for me, day off is this. I often can't wait till I will actually start next night live stream. It is actually funny. It's actually more, yeah, I didn't expect that. I used to do some videos, like, you know, it's not my first channel, but I was never actually like super successful. Although I worked on one channel that was very successful, I would say. At one point it was around 100,000 subscribers, but it wasn't my channel, it was someone else's, but I helped them build like a website and some videos and some products. Oh, again? Oh, okay, so I think it just ran again the same script. Let's try again by clearing the cache. And now this is I think this is most successful YouTube channel I had so far. So 1008 is obviously a success. It's quite like, I think I'm nearly on like 200 videos. Obviously most of them are live streams, but yeah, they're fun. And there was just like now today I uploaded this video, this one, which is actually like it's from my live stream anyway. And I think the original video is pretty funny. It's like about why software gets worse, I would say. And it's a bit of a greed and stuff, you know. So feel free to watch that. Obviously, so far you'd be among the first people to watch it. Yeah, go back. We don't need to do that. Oh, okay. So this is still there. So there's some deprecation. Okay, this one I'll run by. Unfortunately, let's not sugarcoat this. I don't really know why. So let's try. Actually, this time I will try AI. I promised to do like programming non-AI. So it seems like debugging errors, build errors is something I can't really get. And like it used to always take a long time. You know, the debugging build errors with npm and like with this was never fun. Sometimes even like experienced people like DevOps people, they would always say, you know, to get your pipeline working, you need a day. Even like they could actually write their code, like their script from head, and still, you know, sometimes they would say that you still have to spend that. I'm getting this error on render when trying to build it. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna... It's again the sharp thing, yes? Yeah, it's sharp. Deprecations are mismatched. Oh, there is... Oh, I think I can see. I can see. So we have two different... Where is... Okay, so we have this. Yeah, look, there is a mismatch here. Let's try this. Yeah, okay, so like we've got 5 or 6, doesn't matter, 5. Oh, I should have read it, you know. Sometimes I don't like yeah, that just made me I kind of it was many times in my career where I wouldn't read errors, and I paid for that heavily, and I keep on paying for that. So again, this is me being an idiot. Yeah, any questions, guys? Do you like anything on the chat you wanna know? Because I think I just need to push it and I will have it building. Yep. Update. Sharp. Whoa. What a mistake. Push. Okay, let's just stop. I think I can. Yeah, like so, and I think that this problem is actually even stronger in my case. since AI, because what I realize, like sometimes I just copy and paste errors to AI, and I think that's a bad habit actually. I think that's one of the worst things about vibe coding. You know, it's just like instead of doing it, instead of even reading something, I just like give it to AI. Escape. Yeah, okay, I did that already, so let's see if now it's gonna get better. 11 people, wow, what a good group. Make sure to subscribe. I love subscribers. Join the Discord channel, because we are building a community there of people who would be interested in actually making a project. So this is the Discord, it's actually in the chat somewhere. And I've created this survey that is asking people, what the hell do you know? What can you do? What's your interests? And with a bit of luck, we will actually build something together. So that's another project. You know, I think like I might be guilty of trying to do too many projects at the same time, but I think that this one is actually worth it, in my opinion, especially long term, because if it's a good community, a bunch of people might be interested in working together. And so that those two that I'm actually talking about, so Pixels and Logic, this might actually get me people to build together projects for other companies if I get enough clients. So yeah, that's kind of tempting, and let's see if we can achieve that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks for subscribing, whoever. No, we got one earlier. But first I need to. Did it just build? Ooh, are we there, or is it just the older one? It might be the older one. Yeah, 5th of March. Okay, so that's not the latest build. Let's see events. And this one is 36, so probably that's the latest one. Yeah. Yeah, that's the same error I had before. So unfortunately, upgrading all the packages didn't really help. Error unknown. Gatsby load. Install with verbose logging. Look at errors. npm install. Ignore scripts, false. Install for the current Linux. Can I do that? Install the current Linux 64. Consult the installation. Can I do that? Can I change the script, my current script, please? Yeah, so if I go here, and I wonder if it's just random. Maybe I should just, like, I'm very tempted to migrate this website somewhere else. npm install, and let's just remove pnpm. Yeah, I don't know. Will this help? Like locally, I don't think like I have a Linux Arch wherever. Update sharp. This one is hard. This I must say. And they always are. Those build errors, they are a nightmare. You know, sometimes you might think like, okay, I can create a website or like a app in hours, and then you realize, oh, I just want to update it, and then it just kind of throws a lot of errors to you. Build failed again. So my script didn't really work. Install. Oh, okay, so this is a... Oh, okay, because I have to install also npm install and then npm install platform Linux Arch sharp wherever. Let's try this. I'm just throwing the shit to the wall because yeah, and it used to work. Like I didn't really do anything with the project. I just changed like, you know, basic stuff, and it kept on. Gave me quite a lot of errors recently. This project, so maybe I should. I don't know. It's all deployed nicely. It was deployed nicely, so now it can fuck me over. I mean, sorry my language. Now it can annoy me. Go on. Doesn't look so broken. Okay, but first, this one is slow script. npm install. Okay, yeah. Error. Resolve. Emotion. Yeah, this is obviously gonna break now because we've got some real errors here. Yeah, okay, that's... I'll try to throw it again to AI, like entire thing, and I don't know. Somehow I'll just move on to the next task, because... Yeah, maybe that's the one of those things that you just have to cry through and play for a day, and then it will suddenly start working. What can I do with that? Git add, git commit. No, it didn't really. Welcome, guys. I think there's a bunch of new people. Subscribe. Oh, I forgot to put like the poll. So usually I try to ask people some fun questions, and sometimes they answer. Sometimes at the end of the poll, it's actually even quite useful. I can use it for like even like some of them I just made the videos out of. Okay, git status short. Let's see what my AI can figure out of it. So yeah. Oh, again, git log. Render YAML. Yeah. Are you changing something? Let's see what it's changing. Ensure get Linux binaries. Oh, so maybe it should be this one. Here we've got config and pm install. I don't know. So what does it says? Add render. No. Oh, okay. So push already. Or did we commit anything? Okay, it does it for me. Okay, now perfect, it will work. The issue was that your render had a formatting error. Build command was split incorrectly. Is this that easy? Was it this easy? Obviously, it's probably gonna break now, but let's give it a second. And at that same time, I will actually do a survey. Yeah, and how are you guys? I think we've got bigger group now than we had a couple of minutes ago. So feel free to just drop some, like, if you have any questions about what the hell are we doing, or what are the plans for the next couple of days or something. I'm happy to take that. Yeah, come on, build, deploy, build. No, not working. So let's see what's... Okay, it was obvious for my AI, but for me it's obvious that he didn't fix it. He didn't find an error. Hello, body after food. How are you today? How is your app? And this. Yeah, let's try a utility, something. I'll throw a poll and that might be useful for me to see what the industry is. Like often, like I'm asking questions and people say one thing, and then like from statistics, how many people are watching something, it's actually slightly different. But it's good still to ask questions. So how are you? But yeah, I don't. Do I have a Telegram? No, I don't have a Telegram. I have a Discord if you want to join, and it's actually in the chat. I don't have a Telegram. I know it's safer and I should be using it, but I've got so many communicators that tell me that they're safe that I don't really get to Telegram yet. I think I've got like 4 communicators plus Discord now. This is a new one. I mean, I had it actually on one event quite recently, but now I'm using this one again. What's my AI saying here? And yeah, you might say, "Ooh, you said you're not gonna use AI." But for coding, I'm not gonna use for coding. If I get to coding today, if I get this bloody script to build and to work, and actually usually AI is pretty good for that kind of stuff, for fixing your build problems. Yeah. For example, I don't really know some of those commands. There are quite many of them. I don't really know what they're doing. I think my bash knowledge is sort of average at best. Yeah? Are you gonna finish? Are you gonna make it work or not? No, I'm not using Instagram as well. Body after food. Oh, I love the. Okay, yeah. I love their channel. So yeah, I'm not using Instagram. My wife is good at Instagram. I don't really like that, and I think like, yeah, I love it. For me, the best one is in YouTube. YouTube is the best. That's the best social media out there. Yeah, I love this solution. Okay. And Instagram is for girls, I think, as far as I know. Only women use Instagram. And on an International Women Day, obviously, it's an Instagram day, I guess. But yeah, I don't use it. So are you like body after food? Are you like... Oh, what? Website for watches. What's the website for watches are you doing? So that's, that's from the chat, obviously. So watch, okay. Git push, run git push, perfect. You're simple. Perfect, I've simplified approach, render deployment issues, simplified, blah, 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 added. Okay, will you work? Let's see my events now. Okay, so I can see a link here, but the thing is, like, sometimes the links are not really sent through YouTube. So if you actually post a link on YouTube chat, it might actually not be visible for me. Let's see. Can you drop the link, or then I can see if it's actually anything interesting, or I can go to channel. Is this on your channel? Is there a link for your website? Help me reach 500,000 subscribers. Oh, that's a good. You're quite far from this number. Yeah, I think that's a long way away. You're still, but I'll try to help you. You know. Yeah. Okay. So you'd have to. Yeah. Although, like, this is kind of channels that they get stuff like that. Yeah, when you swallow a gum. No deploying. You can join the Discord channel if you wanna send me a link. You can drop it here. I will. Okay, probably that's incorrect. Let's remove this part of script because I think this is it's actually weird with render because you have those build commands and you've got like other commands in the render dot. I don't know which one is actually taken. Yeah, I can't see your link. Oh, we've been already 45 minutes. We're a nice live stream today. There's some activity. Unfortunately, there's not much activity in terms of my website. Okay, let's see the Discord. So, on render.com, I see 1R watch. Ooh. So what is this watch doing? Are you selling those watches? Ooh, nice. Is this your website? Yeah, you had to prepare quite a lot of so obviously that's probably AI, is it? Like those graphics, yes? Those assets, so you get like a watch and then you ask it to do like a... Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Very nice actually animation. Although like it kind of like this is like broken obviously. So this is, I can see that this was AI. Because from this to this, or maybe not. I don't know. Or maybe I cannot say if it's AI. Oh, this is great. I used to work on like a agency that worked for Samsung, and we used to make those graphics quite often. Those kind of like animations and stuff. Ooh, so you will be a wealthy person soon. You have like a channel that will get at quite soon will get 500,000 subscribers. Then you are selling watches. Nice. X, Instagram, Facebook. Let's see X. No, we didn't go to X. But don't send people from your website. You don't have to. Okay, what's this? Oh, so there's a store. I can buy a watch. Nice. Heritage. Titanium. So is this like you're paying this much extra for belt? For the strap or what? Yeah, you've got quite many watches. Is this like, are you buying it from like, how do you get them? Are you building them? Are you like are you this guy? Or this guy? AC1R watch. Good, nice. Congratulations, this is a nice website. I like this animation. I like this animation. This is neat. This is very neat. Yeah, very nice. This is a lot of work actually. I think I've done a bit of that for Samsung back in the day. Yeah, cool website. Cool website. I made the site with artificial intelligence just for testing out of curiosity. Oh, so it's not. So the prices are just made up. You're not selling them. Ooh, it's in my... Oh, it's saved. Okay, can I buy it? I bought it! Ooh, no money. No, I'm just kidding. It's great. It's a nice website, I think. And like the thing is like, so like, yeah, it doesn't seem to matter anymore if it's with AI. It's like it's a website that sells watches, and it looks quite professional out there. So I don't know. It's a funny one. Yeah, congratulations. Good website. Nice. I wish I could deploy mine. I started regretting that I changed something on that. Okay, let me just like, I will actually, so I'll create a branch out of what I have here. And then I will undo some changes to till like a couple of branches ago. A couple of PNPM clean. I think that's what we do. So we clean the stuff. We remove this one. We will remove this one. I have other websites that I created. You can send me the links to them too. Yeah, you can send me the links. I can have a look while I'm trying to fix my builds. Obviously, it's always an exciting thing to look at people's, like you seem quite industrious, you know, like YouTube channel, multiple websites. That's you are really trying, my friend. You are working hard to get to the, you're hustling. Yeah, you are hustling. You are a hustler like I am. Okay. Let's try npm build. npm build. Run build. npm install. Yeah, okay. I will just try to install it again and see if it figures it out. Maybe. No. What's wrong here? Resolve dependency tree. Can I? Okay, can I remove this shard crappiness? This is actually something I changed recently. Let's try now. Install, npm install. Nope. So what's the dependency craziness? Okay. Oh, okay, Gatsby plugin. I'm getting this. Oh, thanks for subscribing, somebody. When trying to install my product. Yeah, just a second. I will send it. So you want me to send you the link Discord, my portfolio? Or did you just like throw your portfolio on the Discord channel? Oh, 10. Ooh, one more and we have like 3 for 10 for once. That's gonna be nice. We need one more subscriber. So my subscriber count is 1111. What is the strongest AI you can get right now? I don't know. I'm not the kind of channel that would really get in, I'm not the kind of person that really gets interested in like what's the optimal AI now. I think like I'm kind of slow to adapt those things because I don't really see that much difference between them. I think like you can check the benchmarks, but those Claude things seems to be like around the top of the pyramid now. I'm not sure how the GPT is doing. I like to use Grok sometimes. Or maybe I'll use Claude now to do something. Okay, I'll try to finish this one. I'll try Claude actually. Maybe he will tell me what to do with this crappiness, because I seem to have a massive problems here. Yeah, so I've got 1110 subscribers. So it's like so one away from very nice number, very lovely number. Ooh. Are we like on such an ancient? Are we just downgrading? React E18. Is this gonna? Yeah, I just keep on hiding to sniff to clean my nose. Basically, I'm really sorry for that. This is what happens when you have a cold. Do you only do vibe coding. No, I do like normal coding sometimes. Now I just try to fix like a build issue, but I've like I can do like I've been doing quite a lot of normal coding, but recently I've been doing mostly vibe coding. Yes, but I think I will have to get back to normal programming because I don't know. I think I start regressing with some things. I just kind of get lazy. So I might actually start building things again by hand, by normal, good old programming, you know, like with an editor, not just with AI. Did it figure something out? But for example, those build scripts, they were always hard for me. You know, sometimes I would spend a day trying to get something fixed like that. It's never easy. Where can I see your websites? I think the best place to see my website is my agency website. It's like a portfolio actually. It's called pixelsandlogic.eu, and this is one of my websites. These are my products, except this one. Don't really look at that one. There is this. This is my main project. This is my side project. This is my wife's website, which here the link doesn't work, but it's actually this one. So that's my wife's website, and yeah, I think that's mainly those four are actually the main ones I'm working on now. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. That it's good that you think that they're amazing. I do think they're pretty good actually. I'm still working on this one, and that one is still under construction. This one is like a big project to finish, so it's gonna take another 2 or 3 months. And I thought it will take me less, but it's taking another 3 months. Subscribe, guys! We're gonna have 1111 number of subscribers. That's a nice number, isn't it? I can see that people are coming. Or maybe they came a couple of minutes ago and my statistics are out of date. We've done this in AI. So, this one is done AI. Yes, I did very little here of my own coding. This one is like 80% AI. I did initial setup for the backend. Frontend I did probably mostly AI, but with frontend I'm quite familiar usually. This one I built initially many years ago, and it was built by hand, obviously, just me writing code. But now I do some stuff with AI. Since like reversals is waking up very slowly. And this one was mostly AI as well. Yeah, so most of it is AI. Like I think I'm becoming a shameless AI programmer, if we can call it. Vibe coder. I'm becoming a vibe coder instead of being a programmer. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, did it fix it? If something, I'll just switch to other thing. Update. Package JSON. Have you made money from these sites? Currently only from this one, but all of them are quite recent, you know? Most of the stuff is quite recent, so I'm trying to make money from this one now to get customers, and I'm doing quite a lot of marketing for that. This is making money to me and my wife, but because we had this greenhouse where she's doing workshops. So this is making money, not really as much as we wish, but all of it is quite slow, so we are still learning how to monetize that stuff. And yeah, the rest of them are, you know, the Planero is something that I wish I started making money. So this one is actually most pressing in terms of like where I will be putting some marketing now. But I still can't figure out how to actually get this sold. So this is a hard one, you know. And I've already put some good amount of money. I will have to put more, I guess. So yeah, so that's my money thing. Although I was expecting that it's not going to be like 2 months and you actually make money with everything, or like 3 months. Yeah, I've been building those things for 3 months now. So I was actually, you can't really, like, unless you know how to do everything, basically how to do like marketing, or you get really lucky, it's really hard to actually make money with those kind of things. Or you have like a big channel, like a community that will buy your products, because I've got experience with like a big channel where we would actually market our products. But I don't, to get like your SaaS that you just built and it's first time you are selling your SaaS, it's a hard one. And it's probably way harder than technical stuff. So the problems I have now with getting a build done, it's something that I can overcome. And I know how to, more or less, I just have to keep on trying, I guess. But with marketing, like, it's really hard actually, because I don't really know which one, I have much more experience with failing at project, or building things, or building like on software, than experience with marketing and stuff. What about you? Body after food. How, like, are you making money from your projects? You seem to have quite many, or are they just like, you're still learning how to do that? Because yeah, obviously this is for some people it's hardest part. For some people it's easy because they did it a couple of times and they know how to monetize things. And for me, it's quite hard. Yeah, this is the hardest part. Marketing and selling, it's the hardest part. Finding clients. Yeah, obviously we want money from people, so we need to convince them that it's actually something that they will need. And as far as I understand, I know that people need digital services. I don't know how to get to them yet. I know that people need they have delivery companies that do deliver things, but I don't really exactly know how to get to those people. So it's a fun one. Yeah, it's a fun conundrum. Yeah, like, I don't know how to get to them without blowing a lot of money on it. So and one of the ideas is this channel, so I'm trying to actually talk about things I'm building, and it's okay, I think the channel also grows, so that's another project. The YouTube channel is another thing that I'm building, and it's not monetized yet, but I think like if I just spend a bit more time on it, it will actually get monetized, and it might contribute towards like a passive income. I mean, it's not so passive because I keep on live streaming all the time, but on the other hand, it's something that I do alongside my activity. So I would be still building those products. I would still be building like a digital agency, but the fact that I'm talking here about it, it's a bonus. Although maybe not always, because sometimes instead of working on things, I actually talk to the camera. So that's one of those things that you never know. Yeah, but it seems to be nicely going up. Yeah, built. Good. Thank you. Do we have a new website now? I mean, it's not going to be new, but basically I think this section, yeah, I can see that changes came in. Good, thank you. Yeah, finally. So this time it was actually AI. And this is a luck thing, with builds and stuff. You just try to get it until it's working, usually. And if it works, then you're happy. If it doesn't work, then you are just like, keep on trying. But like back in the day, I don't know like if it's quicker now with AI or not, because I would before I would know much more basically about this process. So maybe first time when it would break, I would have problems, but then next time I would at least have some experience from the previous tries. Well, how is my... Oh, and then the new project now is the... So like you can notice that I'm actually trying too many things, but Discord is a fun one actually. So I'm trying to actually get people into working together on one or several projects. We'll see. So like for now, I'm just trying to ask people, okay, what are you good at? And once we know that, hello. Yeah, once we, oh, so that's another website. Should I go here? A vibe coder, AI content creator. Where are you from? Abdullah Abidine. Sounds like, no, I don't want to be guessing. Okay, it's not. Oh, Uzbekistan. Okay, Russian, English. I don't even remember where Uzbekistan is. Is it Uzbekistan? Yeah. AI video, AI image, AI content, vibe coding, landing page, portfolio. Do you think have you been thinking about learning as well some? Actually, maybe you don't need to learn programming. Like I did that old-fashioned way, but maybe now we don't need that. Especially if, like, depending what sort of business you want to do. But if you want to build websites like this is like AI stuff now. People don't really have to write this code anymore. Yeah, nice. It's like this looks like this works cool. Explore shades. Yeah. Yeah, this kind of stuff is very, like, you know, there are companies that so I'm actually trying to get companies like this to make their websites and to sell them either websites or products like I think it's doable. So that I'm actually there with this business. So not this one, with this one. And happily it's building again. So so I just, like, now I actually have a video that I've done recently, and did I export it yesterday? I have a video where I'm actually, let me just play it to you because I think it's an interesting addition to my things. I wish I remember where it is actually. I think it's here. Is it somewhere here? What's this? Oh, okay, that's my business card. So I have like a business card. I just no. Maybe in videos. Nope. Too many places I'm throwing my things in. Do I have it here? Maybe somewhere. Maybe I just need to export it again. I hope I didn't break it yesterday. Yeah, I should actually publish this one as well, because this is like a sales video for this agency. So let's just export that one again, or maybe it's actually on my YouTube already. YouTube, and I will actually put some money also to publishing this one and see if I can get any real clients from that, you know. Is it in videos? Do I have it here? No. Yeah, okay, let's just try again. Here, yes. So, yeah. Oh, okay. Did I not finish this? So, hello, I'm Maciek. I'm a founder of Pixels and Logic. I was sure I finished that one. So yesterday, yeah, I think I was sure I did that. Ooh, that's not good. Maybe it's here. Oh yeah, it's here actually. Good. Yeah, that's the final version. Good. Okay, I did that in the end. Click export or just export. Yes. Good. Yeah, I was worried that I didn't save it. Pixels and Logic video. Promotional video. Saving to downloads. Maybe it's actually, yeah, maybe it's actually already there. Let's just throw it on desktop, pixels and logic. Yeah, that's probably the best place. So this is like, I'm trying to convince people to come to go with me, you know. And maybe I should actually also start looking. Do you know any of those websites where people are actually like publishing their websites? How to make $100,000 per month in SaaS? Ooh, yeah, that's a. Should I make a video on that? Because I don't really know. It's how to. I'm sure there are people who they pretend that they know how to do it. There's plenty of people that pretend to know how to build a channel with 1 or 2 videos. There's lots of that. But yeah, like if you are asking how to make 100,000 per month in SaaS, depending like what's your timeline and how committed you are, I think that's probably still doable. You can probably make those kind of amounts. I think there's plenty of people who say they do that, like micro SaaS. Yeah, like those guys. You know, this guy says he's making £12,000 from this micro SaaS. This guy seems to be making, you know, whatever. I listened to this guy. He's quite convincing. Seems to have a good idea. This one says he's making 30,000 with his micro SaaS. I don't know. It's hard to say. Like, are they making this money? Maybe. Maybe they know something that I didn't know, or maybe they were lucky with their apps, or maybe they have. Oh, this one is making $1 million total balance, wherever. This one is making this much per day. See, like there are people who say that they're making this much money, and maybe they are. It's you know, the thing is, like, if you have a very popular videos and channel where you are lying to people about making this much money, this also can make you money. So like this one, yeah, is it? It's annual. Yeah, I was listening to this guy. They say they have this playbook, which sounds like just, you know, you release something. And the thing is, like, they might be right. They might say true. They might be saying truth, you know, and they might have been building it for a couple of years. If I commit 6 months, can I achieve 100,000? No, I don't think so. Unless you are really good or you're lucky. The question on the chat, if he commits 6 months, I don't know. Like, the thing is, like, don't know what you're building. I don't know how good you are in selling it. For example, like, I've spent many years on building stuff, and a couple of years ago, I even like released stuff, like products online that would sell, but I wouldn't, like, we weren't even close. There was 3 of us, and we had like a big channel, like up to 100,000 subscribers, but we were not close to 100,000, you know? We were probably closer, like 3 of us. We managed to make maybe 50,000 for 3 of us. Yeah, so I don't know. Like, I think like you have to yeah, you have to still commit, you know. And I don't know, Little Love Factory, I don't know how experienced you are, but like, I think it's worth trying, you know. I think it's like, if you don't have a job, if you have time to do it, keep on trying. But don't really, like, just build something that you see as useful, or maybe ask people that have real businesses what they need. I think then you are most likely to get there. And don't try to do like anything like, I feel like I don't like there's much more market for the AI tools. You know, that's my limited knowledge, but I think like I don't really see much more field for, you know, another AI image generation, thumbnail generation tool, unless you have like because there's quite a lot of competition, and there's quite small margins on that, because AI is very expensive, you know, those models are very expensive to run. So then to make it work, you have to really charge people a lot. And for example, like, I was trying a couple of tools to, you know, that would do shorts and stuff, and, you know, they were decent, But I would do a couple of shorts. I would just give them like a half an hour video, give me a couple of shorts, and then I would run out of credit very quickly. So I don't think, like, you know, if you wanted to build your channel based on those AI tools, it would cost you a lot of money. So I was like using those AI tools to, like, I would give them my live stream and I would say, I just get me a bunch of shorts out of it, you know, and it does that, you know. It's very good. It's super fucking expensive. So, you know, they give you initial credit, you can check it. And then I think like with one of them, I've put like $5 extra credit. And then it was burning money basically. Yeah, so like the thing is like your goal shouldn't be to make 100,000, you know? Maybe you can get there, hopefully you will get there, but your goal should be to build something fun that you actually enjoy. Or something that is useful for people. That's your goal, not really, you know, to get 100,000. Because that you know, whoever actually set the goal of, you know, monetary goal, like, you know, I will make this much money, this is impossible to actually get there, and you put a huge pressure on yourself. But if you're actually building something that you enjoy, and for example, like, I'm not making money on this yet, but I really enjoy live streaming. I really enjoy answering your questions, guys. I'm proud of this website, despite it didn't make me a penny yet, you know? I'm proud of this website. It's very, very nice. Despite I've been building websites for many years now, but like I have a nice website here. I'm proud of this product. I can see some limitations here. I think I have to fix a couple of things, but I'm proud of that product. You know, my wife, she loves this website. She thinks it's a really nice website, and it's very useful for us. I'm actually very happy that I recreated this project back. I took it back from dead, basically. So, you know, I kind of enjoy it, and I hope one of them will make me money. But I don't know. I don't have a guarantee on that. I really enjoy live streaming. I really enjoy YouTube stuff. Subscribe, guys. But yeah, I really enjoy that, which is why I'm doing it. But, you know, I can't really say that, you know, if I set up with a goal to make 100,000 or like whatever the monetary but like I would get, like, imagine if I didn't get that in 3 months or in 6 months, how frustrated I would be. Like how, like, you would give up the pursuit. Like we can easily give up pursuit because, you know, and it's actually very paralyzing. If you give yourself like a monetary goal that it has to make this much money, then it's really like, it's paralyzing. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Yeah, it's like 4 ones. I'm really happy. What a beautiful number. 1111. But yeah, don't set yourself monetary goals. Make yourself a goal that, you know, if it's a YouTube channel, make yourself a goal that you will spend 100 hours or 1,000 hours on building this channel. And you will just try to do what excites you. If it's an app or if it's a SaaS product, you know, just set yourself like a goal of hours or features that you will build. That should be your goal, but not you know, that this app will make you this much money, because you will not get there. I promise you. Unfortunately, you know, it's not that easy because you have to convince people to give away their money for you. You know, so you have to be good at this. And, you know, I'm not good at this, and I've been in this industry for a while. And so, yeah. But yeah, good luck with that. I hope you will actually build something, you know, Little Love Factory. I don't know what's your name. And, you know, remember for every successful product people release, there's 10 that are unsuccessful. And maybe now with AI, there are hundreds that are very unsuccessful, that are waste of time and money. You know, maybe one of those is actually a waste of time and money. I don't know. But I enjoy making them. I think I'm proud of them mostly. So I'm not gonna say that it's a waste of time. And it actually, like, it's very fun for me. Like, I'd rather actually do live streaming here than watch television or play games. It's much more fun for me. So I hope I hope like you are treating it the same way, that it's just fun. You are doing something that is fun, and then like at the end of the day, it might bring you something. And like sometimes you get surprised, you know, if you don't really expect things to do. Like with the product I was telling you that many years ago, like 10 years ago, I actually had with some other guys. We were actually surprised how successful it got at some point, but we just didn't. We were just like trying. We kept on trying, and at some point it just kind of got us there. But it took us a year actually even to start putting profits out of it. You know, getting some profits. So like with all those projects, I'm actually 3.5 months in. Except, you know, back this one I started many years ago, but I restarted it now. This one was built recently, but although this business is actually there for more than a year now. The Planero I've actually built over like 3.5 months, and yeah, I'm trying to sell it now. But yeah, like setting goals, it's very hard. Setting monetary goals, that this thing will make this much money. This is a hardest part to get, because it's very paralyzing. It's like, you know, you try to, yeah, I don't know. And like the people who talk on YouTube that they made this much money, like I would be careful with listening to them, because it's hard. And like the advice they often give, it's like, yeah, I don't know. After 1 year, yeah, so like, you know, there's a bunch of those people who tell you what to do, how to make, you know, or like how they made a million, billion, gazillion, but most of them don't. Most of them just make videos that try to convince people to click on them, and it's obviously, you know, they make money on videos as well. Yeah, I think like, okay, unfortunately I will have to go for now. My family is back and they want me to actually make a fire, so I will try to be back later. I thank you for your contributions, thank you for your subscriptions, and thank you for your questions on the chat. I really enjoyed that. I hope I will, you know, I will try to be later back, because I still have lots of work to do. I have like I'm kind of now like on Tuesday I have an interview with Google. This is something that I moved from last week, and I'm thinking about spending some time actually preparing a bit more about data structures and data stuff. So I actually might be back for this, to be honest, a bit later. But yeah, I just need to spend time on it. So maybe I will be doing it on live stream as well. If you want to learn that kind of stuff, if you're interested in data structures, it's a hard shit, and I despite me learning it a couple of years ago-ish, you know, I forgot that anyway. So yeah, thanks for coming. See you later, and good luck with your project. Good luck with your SaaS. Join my Discord. Subscribe, obviously. Join my Discord, which is somewhere. Discord. And if you are interested in working together on projects and you have some time to spare, there is a survey that is pinned to the top, and it's asking basically all the questions, like, you know, how much time you have, how interested you are, how committed you can be, how much you would like to make money, if it makes money, or if you are not interested in that. Hopefully, you know, I mean, we'll see. So yeah, I will be doing this survey for like a week now, and see how many people I will get, and then if some of them, if we can build projects together. That's probably that's a next thing now. That's my next project. If I have too many projects, that's another one. Yeah, thank you. See you guys.